Owning a home is exciting, but keeping it in great shape? That's the real challenge. Hey everyone, I'm Fix It Felix, your go-to guide for home maintenance. Today I'm giving you the ultimate home maintenance checklist, a must-know for every first-time homeowner. Let's start with the basics, things you should do every month to keep your home running smoothly. Check and replace HVAC filters, test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, inspect sinks and toilets for leaks. Clean your garbage disposal with a lemon and ice trick. When the seasons change, so do your maintenance tasks. In fall and winter, clean gutters to prevent water damage. Test your heating system before winter hits. Seal windows and doors to keep the cold out. Check the roof for missing shingles, and in spring and summer, inspect and service your AC unit. Pressure wash your home's exterior. Clean dryer vents to prevent fire hazards. Check for cracks in your driveway and walkways. Some things only need to be done once a year, but they make a huge difference. Drain and flush the water heater. Deep clean carpets and floors. Check the foundation for cracks. Inspect the attic for leaks or pests. These simple steps will save you thousands in repairs and keep your home in top shape. There you have it, your ultimate home maintenance checklist. Want more tips on keeping your home in top shape? Subscribe for weekly home hacks, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button. I'm Fix It Felix, and I'll see you in the next one.